Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how you can easily make a logo in your Android mobile phone in very simple steps. A logo is very important foundation for the branding of your company. So if you watch this video till end, so I don't think you have to watch other videos in YouTube for logo making. First you have to open your Google Play Store. So in Google Play Store, you just have to search logo. So as you can see, the first app is Logo Maker 2020 3D Logo Designer Logo Creator app. So this is the logo app, and you can see this app got 4.6 rating on Google Play Store, and this app is over 10 million plus download. So we just have to open this app. First we will see what are all the categories available in this app. So there is business, music, photography, construction, fashion, food, sports, animals, health, education, social, travel, automobile, common, alphabets. So it's up to you what type of logo you want to make. So I want to make a photography logo. So I will click photography, and you can see there are so many presets available to make logo. You don't need to have Photoshop skills and CorelDRAW skills. You just have to see the preset in which preset you want to make. So I will use this one. I will click this one. So what you want basically, I just want to change the color of this icon. So I will just touch this and I will select hair color. In color, you can select whatever color you want. So I just want to make it red. So I will select this red color. So I will click in done. So as you can see, the one part is converted into red color. So now I will color this part. So I will touch this part and I will choose yellow color, and then I will select done. So now as you can see, the color is changed, and now I want to make my company name. So I will just touch this and down. I just have to edit. Now I can write Sam Photography. Now I just have to select change. So I will adjust at which place I want to use this one. So according to me, I can just place it over here, and I can change the font also. So to change the font, you just have to touch this one, and then down there is font option. So there is style option in which you can change the font. So in font there are so many fonts available. So I will choose. So this is looking good. So now you can see our this logo is now completed. Now what I have to do, I just have to save this. So just I will save it to 1000 pixel. So I will click this 1000 pix. I want to save this logo at 1000 pixel. So I will just select 1000, then I just have to select download. So if you select download, it will be automatically saved in your gallery. Then you can choose your gallery. So now you can see our logo is just completed within 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Only one example is not sufficient, so I will now tell you how you can make a fashion logo. So you just have to select this fashion. So in fashion, as you can see, there are so many good logos are available. So I will choose this one. So as you can see, this is our logo. So now first we will change the color. So to change the color, you just have to select Whatever you want to change, you just have to touch it, and if you click, automatically two boxes came. So in these two boxes you just have to select the color. So this gray color is the face color. So I will make this face to red. I will select done, and I will change this hair color into black. So I will touch this and I will touch black, then done. So now you can see red and black combination is good. So I will change this company name. So click this company name, then just select the style, change the font, whatever font you want. So I want this font. No, I want some different font. So I think this is okay. So I just reduce the size because it is little long. So now I have to click edit, and in edit I will write whatever I want to write. So if you don't want this one, you just select, and top corner there is delete option. Just click this delete. And if you want to make your logo transparent, so there is one option, BG option. In BG, just click this transparent BG. BG means background. So if you click this BG, your logo will be transparent. If you want to add some icons, you can just select icons. So I will select this flower. So there are so many flowers are available. So I will select this one. I will reduce the size. So friends, if you don't want to use any of the preset, so you can make your own logo as well. So just delete all the object. So I have deleted all the object. Now I will select this icon. If you touch icon, you can see you can make logos of animals, music, esports, architecture, abstract, car, education, health. So I will choose health. Now as you can see there are so much of icons are available. So this is looking good. I will choose this one. So I will change the color. So I want this in red color. So this red color is okay. Now I will select the text, and I will write AZ Health. I will change the font. So I will touch this style. So this is looking good. So again I will go into this icon, and again I will choose this health. I will choose this one. I will change the color. So you can see this is very unique icon. So now I will tell you this option. You can see in this left corner of the screen how you can use this layer option. So select any design. So now I will take this education icon. This is looking good. So first of all I will change the color. So if you touch this object, you will see this 3 color. So this 3 color is used in this picture. So first of all you can see this blue color. I will change this blue color. I will change this into yellow. So as you can see, this turns into yellow. Now I will change this skin color. So I want this to be blue. So this converted into blue. Now I will change this white. I will turn this white into black. This red color is looking good, so I have taken this red color. So now I will change this name. Whatever name you want to take, you can take. Take few icon. So I will take this education icon. In education there are so much of beautiful icons are available. So I will take this pencil. So this is looking good. So now I will tell you what is this layer option. So touch this layer option. So if you want to edit this one and you don't want to disturb this pencil icon, so just select layer, and in layer you just have to put this lock option. So I have touched this lock option. Now you can see this can be moved, but this pencil can't be moved. So now if I will edit this one, this won't get affected. So this is the use of this layer tool. If you want to delete this pencil, I just select the layer and I will select this one and I will delete this one. So now you can see the pencil is deleted. So this is looking nice basically. So this is fine. So I will save this one. So this is the use of the layer. So I will save this and just save your icon. High definition is very good to save your icon. So touch HD and just download. So now you can see your icon in your gallery. That's it. Your logo is ready to use anywhere.